Thanks so much for joining me in this video today. If you've got a leather cleaning service business and you're looking for an affordable, professional website to advertise, you certainly are in the right space. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that on the MultiSite platform. If you aren't familiar with multi-sites yet, we built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, people with solopreneurs, people with side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for such an affordable price. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video. Sign up for the free trial, no credit card details needed at all. Once you join the platform, the very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your market at the top. We have hundreds of markets to choose from, and we are adding more markets every single week. So if you can't see your market down below, do drop us a message and we will make sure that we add it. Let's go ahead and search for our market, leather cleaning service. There it is over there. Let's select that template. Awesome. Let's tell MultiSites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region that I'm located in. And it doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We do have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change that type of business on the right from restaurant to service. Click on continue. Let MultiSites work its magic and generate a simple website for my business with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It literally took less than 10 seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of multi-sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're also completely free for you to use if you wish. However, you can upload your own images. You can make amendments to that copy. It was pretty much just written as a guideline for you to make your life a little bit easier. If you want to make changes, you don't need to know any website coding, you don't have to have any professional web development skills, and you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, go ahead and pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that email address is visible on our website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box. Excellent. Let's pop in our phone number over here, and that is click to call, by the way. Our address, our physical location. The great thing about that physical location when your website is live, your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to Google Maps. Under update social links, you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom. Let's go ahead and update our logo if we have one, just to make our website look even more professional. If you don't have a logo, check out canva.com. Logo's been uploaded. If you want to make slight amendments to it, crop it, rotate, zoom in, add filters, click on that little pencil over it. Otherwise, click on save and make it bigger and smaller on the right if you wish to, under customize logo. If you want to change the colors that were pre-selected for you on the website as well, you can change them, no color coding needed. Go ahead and click on the little paint bucket, bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So many to choose from. Awesome. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath it. Head on over to update image. Over here you can browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library, hundreds of images to choose from, and you can play around with the keywords a little bit so suitable images do come up. Excellent. Under update content, you can change the copy to suit your business needs. Buttons can link to various places. You can change the text on them as well. Click on choose link. You can link to another website. Maybe you say calendar bookings for your service. Otherwise, an action. And you can as well upload a PDF file, which is a great option to upload your various rates and services that you offer. In the last section over here is where your customers can easily reach out to you. All they need to do is put in their details, click on send, and you will get notified via your registered email account you have a new lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in your Marty dashboard, which I'm going to briefly show you in just a second. If you have a custom domain for your business, click on connect your domain. Go ahead and click this button over here. and connect it. If you don't have a domain yet, you want to purchase one to make your website look even more trustworthy and professional, click on I want a new domain and purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. Over here, we're in your Marty dashboard. This is where you can find the leads from that form at the bottom I've just shown you. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business and really wishing you and your business Marty success.